What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see I have here two videos in my timeline, so all I got to do to add the transition between them is to go to FX tab, then we're going to go to toolbox, and here we have video transition. As you can see here we have multiple transitions that we can choose from. You can preview them by going into the beginning of them. So for example, for deep to color dissolve, we're going here, then we're going to drag our cursor to the right, and as you can see we can preview the transition. So what we want to do here is to click on it, then drag it between our clips. As you can see, this doesn't work because we have to decrease a little bit the size of each one of our videos. And now if we will try to put it between the videos, as you can see we can use the transition. Also you can increase the duration or decrease the duration by clicking on it and drag the cursor, or you can go in transition and here you will have duration. You can set it by seconds or by frame. So let's see how it looks. Also you can add transition in the beginning of a clip or to the end of a clip. So let's add one. And now as you can see we have a transition in the beginning of the first clip. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.